Looking for the best tree removal services in Murfreesboro, Tennessee? Look no further than Stump Eater Tree Service. We're your local experts in safe and efficient tree care. Our team specializes in tree removal, expert trimming, and thorough stump grinding. With years of experience, we handle any tree on your property, big or small. Safety is our top priority. We're fully licensed and insured for your peace of mind. Our state-of-the-art equipment ensures quick and precise tree removal. We also offer 24/7 emergency services for storm damage and fallen trees. Our skilled arborists assess each tree's health before making removal recommendations. After removal, we provide expert stump grinding to complete the job. We're not just about removal. We offer comprehensive tree health care services too. Our team is always punctual, professional, and ready to exceed your expectations. We serve Murfreesboro, Smyrna, Arrington, and surrounding Rutherford County areas. Our customers love us for our reliability, efficiency, and competitive pricing. Don't let dangerous or unwanted trees compromise your property's safety and beauty. Contact Stump Eater Tree Service today for a free estimate. We're here to provide top-notch tree removal services in Murfreesboro. TN. Trust the experts at Stump Eater for all your tree care needs. Call us now at 615-796-6694 to schedule your tree removal service. Stump Eater Tree Service, your go-to professionals for the best tree care in Murfreesboro.